Looking for a switch that combines durability, ease of use, and versatility? The Junior Products on/off rocker single switch assembly promises just that. Rated for 16 amps at 125 to 250 VAC and 10 amps at 14 VDC, it's built to handle a range of applications, from camper vans to boats and more. Plus, with UL, CSA, and VDE approvals, you know it meets strict safety and quality standards. I recently installed this switch in my camper van, replacing a fancy touchscreen panel that turned out to be unreliable. The difference was clear immediately. The large rocker button makes operation simple, even in low light or while on the move. Its clean white bezel fits seamlessly into any interior setup, adding a touch of professionalism without fuss. The solid build means it won't fail when you need it most, giving peace of mind on every trip. What you get is a dependable switch that's easy to install and use. The cutout size of 1.625 inches by 1.250 inches fits standard panels, making upgrades or replacements straightforward. Whether you're powering lights, fans, or other 12 volts interior devices, this rocker switch handles the job with no hiccups. It's a no-nonsense solution that delivers consistent performance without the headaches of more complicated alternatives. If you're ready to upgrade your control panel with a switch that won't let you down, the Junior Products on/off rocker switch is worth a look. Its proven reliability, user-friendly design, and safety certifications make it a smart choice for anyone working on camper vans, boats, or custom electrical projects. Try it when you're ready to simplify your setup and enjoy hassle-free operation every time.